Hello friends, let me tell you how to install Python using Eclipse. So click the help button in the Eclipse IDE and select install via the Eclipse Marketplace, and in the search tab give Python in the find. So once you submitted the search you will be getting many results. So choose the Python ID for Eclipse 10.1.3 as an option. So after selecting the PyDev and select the checkboxes and agree to it and then finish the installation. So once the installation is successful, so we have to restart the Eclipse ID to apply the software changes into the Eclipse ID. So restart your Eclipse ID now. Once the ID is restarted, when you go and check the open perspective, you could see the PyDev option is listing it out. And when you select that PyDev, as an perspective, you could see the Python symbol over the ID for confirmation. Let's create a new Python project and make it run successfully in the Eclipse IDE. So click the file, new Python project and give the project name. So here make sure like the interpreter is properly installed in your machine. If not, take a latest version and download it from the Python org site. Now create a new file and name it as sample.py and save it in your directory. Now let's see how to run it. So in that sample.py file, write a simple statement, print of hello welcome to learn Python. Now right click that particular file and give run as and Python run. So once it's run successfully, you will be coming to know the printed output in the console. Hello welcome to learn Python. So our first program is successful. Wishing you a happy learning path in Python. Bye. Thank you.